Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create columns on card table here in Basecamp. All right. First up, open up your project and just go ahead over to your card table. In here, as you can see at the top left, you have the add a card. Let's say I'm going to add a card. Okay. Maybe YT video. Like so, I'm just going to go ahead and assign this one to myself and then hit on save. Now we got a card. All we need to do is just go ahead and add any column. Go ahead and go to the plus sign right here with the blue background. Click on it. As you can see here, it says add a new column. Name this column, maybe reviewing. And you can go ahead and add in description. Okay. Once that's done, you can go ahead and click on add column. Wait for it to load. And here you have it. You can now go ahead and move your cards to reviewing. Or the sample card right here, move to reviewing. To add in some more, just do the same thing. Click on the plus sign and then add in a column. Upload it. Add column. There you go. Move. Maybe add in another one. All right. And that is it. That is how you create columns on card table here in Basecamp. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.